today we have again this KitchenAid fridge that the door hinge breaks. Now it doesn't work properly. So all this bottom here broke. It's fairly common, it seems like, on those. So we'll be fixing it right now. Okay, so yeah, again, the whole plastic here breaks. Everything comes apart. And so I'll create my magic bracket that brings a solution for this problem. Okay, so this is how it looks at the end of the work. I'm just gonna put some tape to cover it, to cover the screws, and put the door back and see how it works. Okay, so I installed the door. It's working just fine right now. Closing and opening. And also noticed here, that's probably the reason when they were, now we pulled the fridge a little bit out, but when they were opening the door, it would hit here in the corner, and that's what would create the resistance that caused the break probably. So we pulled it a little bit out, but yeah, now the door is back in place.